All right, guys. So I do want to go over really quickly something that I think is magnificent for every single trader when looking to execute a trade. Now, there's a certain way we have to think as traders when we are approaching the market, obviously. And in most case scenarios, when you think about who you're trading against when it comes to institutions, hedge funds, whales, you have to think about how they're thinking. And you always want to be 2, 3 steps ahead. Now, as an institutional trader or a hedge fund trader or a bank, whatever, they obviously have a plan intact when they are making their trades. So something that I never learned, and it took me 4 years, 3 years into my journey to figure this out, was that you never market execute your trades, guys. You always want to be setting orders, because it's all about, this is currently one of my live trades. I currently had an order set right here, and I got executed. I'm short on pound New Zealand right now. But anyways, it came to me that I hadn't put this in the course yet, that guys, obviously you can market execute trades, but when you're market executing a trade, more times than not, that's when you're just sitting there staring at a screen and you're literally just watching price on maybe the 5 minute, the 15 minute, going up and down and up and down and up and down. And eventually you just get so caught up in your imagination and your emotion that you just pull the trigger and you enter the trade, and it's stupidity. Now, I bet for more advanced traders out there, I guarantee you have experienced this hundreds of times, to where you literally got stopped out of a trade because you entered too early. You said it needed to go to a specific location. It ended up hitting that location and going exactly to your target where you thought your trade was going to be. So as traders, guys, this is something I highly recommend. Use orders. Now, obviously, it's going to be most effective. What we're looking for on our higher time frames, as in our 4-hour, our daily, our 1 hour, we want those engulfs. And then when we scroll into the 15 minute and in some cases the 5 minute, that's when we're looking to set our orders, obviously. So once we have identified our power play engulf, then we can go on the smaller time frames and set orders for market execution, because in that case we're just catching the wick on the next candle before price drives in our favor, or obviously vice versa, it turns out to be a losing trade, however it ends up. But yeah, guys, the point of this video is to make you understand: set orders, trade like institutions. You want to trade off psychological levels. All these psychological levels are respected and they're obvious to bigger guys, big institutions, whales, hedge funds. So you want to trade like them. You don't want to trade retail. You don't want to trade like an idiot like everybody else. You want to be thinking, where is price going to go? What would make most not logic sense? Not what is the chart saying, but what is my mind telling me psychologically? If I'm thinking price needs to hit this level, what would be the level? And then you look at the chart and you find the closest psychological level. Here in my eyes, I think we need to go all the way to, I'm honestly anticipating we blow through this supply zone and head down to 1900 flat. That's my anticipation. But because I know there's going to be a reaction at the supply, and we went over supply zones in the previous videos, but I'll show you guys. You know what, let's go to a higher time frame. So we've been obviously dumping here, guys, in price, and we have not reached my supply zone. I think that is going to be our next reaction zone to a pull up to the upside. But I would love, obviously, I think price will 100% hit this level, so that's why obviously I'm short in GN. But yeah, guys, again, I placed an order on this trade, so that's the point of this. It's, you want to place orders, guys. You don't want to set market execution. It's just not being an advanced trader. But yeah, guys, thanks for the video.